Hello all my dear friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Support. So we are looking a series on PHP interview question. So this is a third video in this series. So today we will see difference between single quote and double quote in PHP. So in single quote and double quote what happens? In single quote the single quote is treated variable as a string and double quote treated variable as a variable. So let's see this practically. So let me start my XAMPP server first. And inside my C drive, XAMPP, htdoc, PHP interview question, I have made one folder that is single and double quote. So let me open this folder in my text editor, that is Sublime Text. So first of all, here what I am going to do is first write a basic PHP code. Let me save this file first. With a name index.php. Here I have written one simple text that is hello all my dear friend. So let me execute this. When we will execute this, it will print a simple things that is hello all my dear friend. When we execute this page, it print hello all my dear friend. So now what I am going to do is first give break over here. This time I am going to write the same text which is enclosed within single quotes. So let's see what the output will appear. So here we saw in both the cases output appears that is same thing. In both the cases output remains same. But main difference between single and double quote appears when we work with variable. Let's see. Let me comment this line first. I am going to make two variable, that is variable A and variable B. Here I have made two variable, that is variable A and variable B. variable A assigned value that is tech support and variable B assigned value that is videos. Now I am going to echo this to variable. Let's see what will happen when we use double quote and when we use single quote. And let's execute it. I have written over here is welcome to my channel variable A. So at the place of variable A, whatever we have stored, that will be printed. So in output it will print like this way: welcome to my channel tech support. So let's execute it first. See, in output it has printed welcome to my channel tech support. And in next line, what I am going to do is first right break over here. This is because to print output in a next line. This time it is enclosed with single quote. So in first line we have used double quotes and in second line we have used single quote. So in the case of double quote, variable is treated as a variable. In the case of single quote, variable will be treated as a string. So in this case, in second line here, it will print output as a please stay tuned for more variable B. It will not replace variable B as video with video. Let's see. Let's save it and execute it. See, in next line it has printed please stay tuned for more variable B. That means in first cases when we use double quote, then it is treated as a variable A is treated as a variable, and whatever inside variable A we have assigned, that is printed. But in second cases, when we have enclosed with a single quote, then whatever inside variable B we have stored, that is not printed. It assumes this variable B as a string. That is why it has printed like this way: please stay tuned for more variable B. Variable B is not replaces with videos. Let's see. This is the main difference between single quote and double quote in PHP. I hope you must have understood. If you have any queries, then please let me know in comment box. Thanks for watching and please stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.